The idea came, probably in the early spring, when we already got information that use space integrations is becoming, as let's say, the must. And we, as air navigation, we aim to be the champion who brings everybody, in the same place. And then only together we actually can overcome a lot of challenges that we see we have in this industry.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our conference.
The regulation is a very important foundation of making drone flights more safely and efficiently, and really make sure that at a broad scale this becomes possible. So it's important to continuously find new appliances of safe and efficient drone use cases, and so this conference is to exchange ideas and agree on next steps is really important.
It's a matter of time, and we should be ready. Maybe we can be country for pilot projects, because I think we are a small country, we are a flexible country, and we can adapt to the regulation in quite a fast way.
Collaboration is the key element to develop this ecosystem, and also the leadership to create, to make the use cases working. That is the most important.